So I think one of my earlier videos might have gotten tamped down by TikTok based on the sensitive nature of the topic. It's important to talk about those, so I'm going to have to use code words. We're going to call it sad thoughts. If I had sad thoughts, I would know that homeopathy has a holistic solution that is side effect free. And there is no contraindication. So if I was taking an allopathic medicine to manage my sad thoughts, I would stay on that, and then I would add in the homeopathy and assess how that is helping me manage the condition. I would check in with my doctor and work out to see if there was a way that we could cut back on my allopathic medicine in light of the fact that ideally my body is healing, so that I don't have as many sad thoughts anymore. I would be looking at taking Aurum metallicum, homeopathic remedy, 200C every third day, and Coffea cruda, 200C twice a day. The key remedy here is that Aurum metallicum. It's made out of gold. Sad thoughts run in my family, and I've seen this remedy work on folks with PTSD, so I would definitely consider it.